The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is here, bringing a fresh take on Yamaha's neo-retro lineup with modern features wrapped in a classic design. This lightweight motorcycle is perfect for riders who want a stylish yet practical option for urban commuting and weekend adventures. With its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics and cutting-edge technology, the XSR 125 continues to stand out in the 125cc category. At the heart of the 2025 XSR 125 is a 124cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, producing around 15 horsepower. This engine, derived from the Yamaha R125, delivers smooth power and impressive fuel efficiency, making it ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. The variable valve actuation (VVA) system ensures strong performance across different RPM ranges, providing a lively ride without sacrificing economy. The 6-speed gearbox helps maximize power output, making highway cruising and city riding equally enjoyable. One of the standout features of the XSR 125 is its chassis. Built on the Deltabox frame, it offers excellent stability and handling, making it one of the best handling motorcycles in its class. The 37mm USD front forks and linked rear monoshock provide a comfortable ride while maintaining precise control on twisty roads. With a lightweight construction and an upright riding position, this bike is easy to maneuver through traffic and fun to ride on open roads. The design of the 2025 XSR 125 pays homage to Yamaha's rich history, featuring a round LED headlight, a sculpted fuel tank, and a minimalist rear end. The retro look is complemented by modern elements, such as a digital LCD instrument cluster displaying essential information in a clean, easy-to-read format. Yamaha has also introduced new color options for 2025, offering riders more choices to match their style. The fit and finish are top-notch, with high-quality materials giving the bike a premium feel. Braking performance is solid, with a 267mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, supported by ABS for enhanced safety. The 17-inch spoke wheels are wrapped in grippy tires, ensuring confidence-inspiring traction on various road conditions. With a fuel tank capacity of around 11 liters and excellent mileage, the XSR 125 is built for both daily commuting and longer rides without frequent refueling stops. Technology plays a key role in the 2025 XSR 125, with Yamaha equipping it with smartphone connectivity through the Y-Connect app. This feature allows riders to track maintenance schedules, view ride statistics, and receive notifications directly on their smartphones. While it may not have advanced rider aids like traction control, the bike's lightweight nature and predictable power delivery make it a safe and fun ride for new and experienced riders alike. For those looking to customize their XSR 125, Yamaha offers a range of accessories, including a cafe racer-style seat, tank pads, and different handlebar options. These additions allow riders to personalize their bikes and enhance their riding experience. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, the 2025 XSR 125 offers a stylish, efficient, and engaging ride that continues to uphold Yamaha's reputation for quality and performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.